Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to archive in Notion. So this is very simple. First, realize that when you click these three dots, you can see that you have a lot of options right here to do with your page. But the thing is, none of these options is archive option. But actually you can use move to trash as an archive, because everything that you move to trash, as you can see, is restorable again. So if you go to trash, you should see that your your files will be deleted over 30 days. So 30 days here, it serves as an archive. So you can find everything that you deleted right here in your trash and easily restore it if you want or need. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.